With File Upload plugin, you can upload or download any file from QuickBase Table to your mobile or table device. Tap on the folder icon to download a file and view on your mobile device. Tap Add button to upload. Here we have automatically created a form from the field IDs you have selected when configuring the plugin. Fill the form as per your need. Select the file to upload. Tap Save. The file is now uploaded to QuickBase and a new record is created. Watch more videos in this series to know more about all the plugins. Download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for free. To learn more, you can visit quickbase.dev or email us at info@arc1.dev.